In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow messages from your subscribers on X.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is a simple setting change, but it can make a big difference if you want to stay more connected with the people who follow you and make it easier for subscribers to message you directly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Now let's jump right into it. First, open X.com and make sure you're logged into the account you want to update. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the left navigation bar and click on More. This will open up the additional menu options for your account. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control all of your account preferences, privacy tools, and messaging options. After that, click on Privacy and Safety. This section contains the settings related to who can contact you, what information is visible, and how your account interacts with other users. Next, click on Chat. This is the area where you can manage your messaging permissions and communication settings. Once you're inside the chat settings, look for the option that says Allow messages from my subscribers. All you need to do is toggle that setting on. As soon as you switch it on, your subscribers will be allowed to send you messages based on that permission setting. And that's it, your messaging preference is now updated. You've successfully enabled messages from your subscribers on X.com. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one.